Hello students, in this lecture I am going to an important formula which is called Legendre duplication formula. Let us know what is the Legendre duplication formula. The Legendre duplication formula is given by gamma of 2n is equal to 2 to the power 2n minus 1 upon root pi gamma n into gamma n plus half. This is the Legendre duplication formula. Okay, now we will prove this formula. Let us know how we will prove this. For this, we will use the result. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2m minus 1 theta cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. This is equal to gamma of n upon 2 times gamma of m plus n. Okay, I will use this result. This is called Wallis formula also. Okay, take this is equation 1. Now we will put m is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. Put m is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. Okay, so what we get if we put m is equal to 1 by 2, what we get? Integral 0 to pi by 2. The power of sine 2m minus 1 will be 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, that is sine to the power 0 theta. So it will be 0, power it will be 0, that it means it will be 1. Okay, so we will get cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta cos to the power 2m minus 1 theta d theta. Okay, putting m is equal to 1 by 2, right side putting m is equal to 1 by 2, on right side we get gamma 1 by 2 into gamma n upon 2 times gamma n 1 by 2 plus n. Okay, take this equation 2. We will remember all these equations. Okay, now what is the next step? In next step we will put m is equal to n in equation 1. What we get? We get integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 theta sine to the power 2n minus 1 theta into cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta, and in the right side we get gamma n upon 2 times gamma of 2n. We take this equation 3. Okay, now what we get? We are observing that power of sine theta and cos theta are same, so we can write this equation sine theta cos theta to the power 2n minus 1 d theta. Okay, multiplying 2 and dividing by 2, we get 2 sine theta cos theta upon 2. So what we get? 2 sine theta cos theta becomes sine to the power 2 theta upon 2. Taking 2 outside, we get 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 sine 2 theta to the power 2n minus 1. Okay, in next step we arrange the equation as integral 0 to pi by 2 sine theta cos theta upon 2 whole power 2n minus 1 d theta. This is equal to gamma n square upon 2 times gamma 2n. Okay, so it will, what will be this? This is the, now we get 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 2 theta d theta, and this is equal to gamma n square upon gamma of 2n into 2. Okay, confirm. Next step, what we will do in the next step, we have to relate this integral to the previous integral. Okay, so now we will substitute 2 theta is equal to phi. Now we will substitute 2 theta is equal to phi. What we get? Put 2 theta is equal to phi. 2 theta is equal to phi. So limits of theta, limits of phi will be 0 to pi. Okay, yeah, from here we get d theta is equal to 1 upon 2 d phi. Okay, and limit will be phi is equal to 0 to phi is equal to pi. What the above equation becomes? The above equation becomes 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 integral 0 to pi. It will be integral 0 to pi 1 upon 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 pi d phi. This is equal to 1 upon 2 gamma n square upon gamma of 2n. We can cancel 1 by 2 from both sides. So in the next step, what we get? We get 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 integral 0 to pi sine to the power 2n minus 1 pi d phi, and this is equal to gamma n whole square upon gamma of 2n. Okay. Now we will again use our different integral properties. What property? We will use the property, definite integral property, integral 0 to 2a fx dx. This is equal to 2 times integral 0 to 2a 0 to a 2 times integral 0 to a fx dx. In the above equation, pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2. So we will use this property. So what the integral becomes? The above integral becomes, it will be 1 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 2 times integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 theta, sorry, it is phi. It is phi d phi, and this is equal to gamma of n square divided by gamma of 2n. Okay, remember this integral. Now what we can do in the next step, we will use another property of definite integral. We know integral 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a f a minus x dx. Okay, so how we will use this property in the above integral? Here in the above integral we have 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 phi d phi. So what will be, it will become 0 to pi by 2 sine pi by 2 minus phi to the power 2n minus 1 d phi. Okay, writing the next step using this property, we can write 2 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1. This is integral 0 to pi by 2 sine pi by 2 minus phi whole power 2n minus 1 d phi whole power 2n minus 1 d phi. What will be this? This is equal to gamma n square upon gamma of 2n. Okay, this will become cos phi. So total equation becomes cos to the power 2n minus 1 phi d phi. Okay. So in next step we get 2 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 integral 0 to phi by 2 cos to the power 2n minus 1 phi d phi, and this is equal to gamma of n square upon gamma of 2n. Okay. We also know that after changing the variable in the definite integral does not affect the integral. So we can use phi as theta or in another variable. So we can write 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. So what we get 2y 2 to the power 2n minus 1 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta, and this is equal to gamma n square upon gamma of 2. Okay. अब आप देखिए पहला इक्वेशन की फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में क्या था? इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वी हैव integral 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta was gamma n gamma half upon 2 times gamma n plus half. So we will use the equation first. In this we get 2 upon 2 to the power 2n minus 1 gamma n by 2 gamma n upon 2 times gamma n plus half, and this is equal to gamma n square upon gamma of 2n. So 1 gamma n cancel, 2 cancel. Now we will arrange the equation and get the required formula. Arranging the equation, we get gamma of 2n is equal to 2 to the power 2n minus 1 upon gamma half gamma n plus half, and we know this value is under root pi. So what we get? 2 to the power 2n minus 1 2 to the power, we will get 2 to the power 2n minus 1 upon under root pi gamma n and gamma n plus half. This is Legendre duplication formula. Remember this formula. This is very important formula. Okay. Thank you, class.